Getting a 404-page not found error on Windows 11? In this video, we'll quickly guide you on how to resolve it and get back online. Open the Start menu. Click on the Start button on your desktop. Search for services. Type services into the search bar. Select the Services app from the search results, labeled as a desktop app on Windows. Locate Web Deployment Agent Service. Scroll through the list of services to find Web Deployment Agent Service. If found, right-click on it and select Stop. If Web Deployment Agent Service is not found, look for Web Client in the same list. Right-click on Web Client and select Stop instead. Close services. Once you've stopped the appropriate service, close the services window. Test the fix. Try accessing the web page again to see if the issue is resolved. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.